To Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Thank you for joining me. Click like and subscribe. Let's have a lesson for Something About a Woman. 32 counts, 4 walls, 1 restart, and 1 tag. Here's a preview of the steps. Starting with the right foot. Cross, side, sailor step. Cross, side, turning sailor step. Toe strut half turn, toe strut half turn. Mambo back, drag, touch, step. Hitch, step, lock, step, pivot, turn, and a cross scene shuffle, side, together, cross, turn, shuffle, badafogo. That's it. Let's break it down. First 8, starting with the right foot facing 12 o'clock. Cross, right, side, left, right, sailor step, sailor step. Same thing to the left, but with a quarter turn. Cross, side, left, sailor step, turning to 9 o'clock quarter. Sailor step. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Second 8, just did our left sailor step, right foot. Toe strut, turn half, left foot, toe strut, turn half. Still facing 9 o'clock, mambo, mambo, back, slide your left and step on it and touch your right. And the counts are 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Third 8, we do step, hitch, step, lock, step, pivot, a quarter, and a cross scene shuffle. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Fourth 8, all your weight's on your left foot. I'm going to step side facing 12 o'clock, right foot. Bring my left foot together and step on it. Cross right in front over left, cross. Now I'm going to do a quarter turn over my right shoulder, stepping back. Picking up my right foot, now I'm going to shuffle to the right, facing 3 o'clock. Shuffle, and a badafogo, cross, ball, step. And the badafogo reminds me of a cross samba, if that helps at all. But the choreographer calls it a badafogo. Okay, so the last counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. New wall. Let's review from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, side, sailor step. Cross, side, quarter, sailor step. Toe strut, half turn, toe strut, half turn. Mambo, back, slide, and touch. Step, hitch, step, lock, step, pivot, a quarter, and a cross scene shuffle, side, together, cross, turn, shuffle, and a cross, badafogo. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. That's it. New wall, 4 walls. There's 1 restart. It's on wall 3, but you're going to end up facing 3 o'clock. So after 16 counts. So let's try it. Restart. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, side, sailor step. Cross, side, quarter, sailor step. Toe strut, turn, and a toe strut, turn, and a mambo. Back, slide, touch, restart. Cross, side, sailor step. Cross, side, quarter, sailor step. That's the restart, right here after 16 counts. Then you do 32 counts and you'll end up facing 6 o'clock, and we do a 4-count tag, and the tag looks like this, starting with the right foot. Cross, side, sway right, sway left. You're ready with all your weight on your left to start the cross side sailor step with your right foot. And now you're done with tags and restarts. Thank you so much for joining me. It means a lot. Click subscribe and like. Enjoy Something About a Woman. Have a great day. You deserve it.